welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Keilah.
And my name's Tamaya.
And today we'll be opening BoxyCharm. You guessed it. So, this is the July 2019 mystery box. So, the 2021 didn't come out yet, so we're just going to open it now.
Don't look.
Here's the card. It's really pretty.
Wait, does it say anything in the corner there?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so we got like some face wipes.
Clay. Okay.
And I think it's a face wipe. So we're gonna cleanse our face.
That's it. Just try to get it open. Yeah.
Satisfying.
Jinx.
It's like, this is what it looks like. It smells good. Okay, you grab one too.
Okay.
And you gotta wash all
I'm
of
about
it.
to rip it open because I can't even grab it. Okay. You open it like this. Here's the opening part.
You know those like wet wipes? It's like a wet wipe when you go out to like eat or something.
So then after like this, you open it like this. How do you get this thing open? So then you have it fully open. There's your cleansing. My face is red. Oh guys, for my schoolwork today, I had to do a bunch of things, and when I was spinning around, I almost fell down the stairs. I bumped into our bookshelf, and it was almost about to tip over. Then I went back, and then I almost bumped into the thing.
I did learn today for school too.
What did you learn?
I learned about how
Math.
why birds lay eggs and stuff.
Why birds lay eggs?
Yeah. And stuff. Well, what do they lay it in? They lay them in spring because in fall, in summer, they don't have enough time to help the baby get ready and stuff. So they lay their eggs in spring. So that's why, and yeah, stuff like that. Are you done yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
My face is super
Take something.
Chicken box.
Chicken.
So this is what we got.
It's like in like a package thing.
I think there's a brush. Gotta get out. This thing. Yep, it's a brush. 2. Ooh. So we got like an eyeshadow.
So
Is
there's another one, I think. Here. Okay. So these are them. They're really nice. They have like this wooden design.
Wait for a second. Today's ad is Vaseline. So what we have, go get your Vaseline from Shoppers Drug Mart. Vaseline is good.
So yeah, there's that. This is like, I don't know, like maybe a blush brush, like
A blush.
that brush. I have no clue. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow brush, and I think this is an eyeshadow brush too. So we're gonna test them to see how it feels.
Yeah,
Feels
It
good.
feels soft.
It feels really soft.
your turn.
I think it's a face mask, so we're gonna apply it. And this time we're gonna apply it on camera. And I think it says to wait 10 minutes. So we're just gonna keep on opening stuff, and you know, so.
Yeah, and we'll use them after we're done because you can't use it over your face, or else then when you take it off, you rub all the stuff off.
Okay, so just need a little bit. this is what it looks like. This is also the packaging.
Mine's gonna be green.
Well, it is a green color.
You know how you put the, what is it called, the glittery stuff? Here you always want to like put it not close to your face, so I'm just gonna start it off by here.
I got like a pimple thing, or is it right here? It's like,
oh yeah, I see that. Okay, that's how close I'm gonna get it to my eye, because you don't really want it close to your eye. It smells like mint.
yeah, it smells like mint tea or something.
We have 2 face masks that we got from BoxyCharm. Did we get another one? I swear we got another one in the video. Which is the honey one that we did.
Go check that video out if you haven't checked it out already. It's a good one.
Well, yeah, I have to start by here. They might be uneven, but...
So I need to use more. And that will happen.
Make sure you go check out our mom's Instagram, because she does very good makeup. And she works at Sephora. I don't know when our mom started makeup. She's very good.
Probably like when we were like young. Maybe we were like 5 or something. I don't know. Well, she's really good. So when all this stuff is done, you better go see her at the Sephora. And
I have more, so I'm just gonna reply it everywhere.
reply it.
If we had a makeup brush that you can help by using this, that would be good.
Guys, you can put it on your eyebrows. But some face masks I wouldn't. Like peel off? No. Definitely not.
Yeah, that's a no.
So we're just gonna rub it in a little bit more. There. Wow, Tamaya, you got that far. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
We'll see.
Okay, she'll see you. We'll see you when we're done. Okay, guys, so we're back.
What's this on?
Yeah, so let's get the next thing.
Yeah, so there's like a one up here, so I'm gonna pick now. I picked this thing. I think this is an eyeshadow palette.
Guys, if you can't tell, like this stuff is all wooden, kind of. Like this is like a wooden thing with some nice flowers and stuff. Oh, and also look at the berries. Or those flowers. I think they're berries, but whatever. They're like diamonds, though.
It says butter. I don't know, Butter London.
Why is it not in a container box?
Well, some don't have it.
These are kind of like dark colors. And it has a mirror also.
I think I might put the blue on my own.
So we're going to swatch on our hands for now.
When I put that on, I'm putting the blue
But after the face mask is done, we're gonna...
The blue one that I want is called...
So I got the blue one. It's hard to see it.
I'll pick another one.
So that's...
How about I pick the queen? Okay, the queen is not very sharpable.
Here's the brown.
Here's the queen one, I guess I'll pick.
And here's this one. There's that. And there's green ones called like Star, I think. That one right there. Come on, do you want to do the last one? And then there's also this one. Not the queen one. This one. So here's that one. It's right here. So I like all of them. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. So yeah. Next thing. So we got this. I have no clue what it is.
Turn it around.
Oh, it doesn't say anything. I don't know, maybe like lipsticks. Or, no, I don't think. Oh, lip gloss. I think.
Hold up. They don't say anything at the bottom. Yep, it's a lipstick. Pretty.
Oh, it smells like cake for some reason. There's
Can I
that.
smell it? Mmm. It smells like that one confetti cake.
There's that. It's on my
Stuff in it.
hand. It's actually really nice. It's glossy and stuff.
And we also put a timer on for 10 minutes. So you might hear a timer on.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna just like go do something for now because there's no more stuff in the box. So we'll see you when the timer's done and we're washing it off. Bye. Okay, guys, so we're back and we put this Beverly Hills shadow thing on. That, yeah.
And that's
So now we're gonna put the eyeshadow on and the lip gloss.
Oh, and yeah, our faces feel really smooth from the mask after we took it off. And when we were washing it, it felt like smooth on my face. Like.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the new brush we got.
I can't use this one unless it's for something.
Okay, so which color are you gonna use?
I think I'm gonna use like blue.
Okay.
But first I'm gonna start with this.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna use the star color.
Sorry.
Guys, my eyes are hooded, so you can't really see that much.
Oh, yeah.
So I have to put like my eyeshadow a little bit higher. Oh. Okay, guys, sorry for the noise. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this one a little bit higher so it matches.
I'm a good makeup artist. Well,
just like my mama.
Keilah is too. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush that we got from the one brown package, and I'm gonna go ahead and
I actually like this color, the star color.
This one here.
So I don't know. I think I know what I'm gonna do with something.
This feels cold because of the metal part. Because my face is kind of touching the metal.
Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna just put it like right here on my eye.
So that's one eye.
Right here.
Can't really see the other color I used, but it's very pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush again.
No, you
for my
can't.
blue.
Yeah.
Wait, yeah, I should use it. Okay, I need more. No, I messed up. I have to wipe that off. And guys, it's okay if you mess up. Because makeup, you don't
It's
have
just
to
like
be
art.
good. Yeah, you don't have to be good.
Makeup's like art, so it's like you're painting. You're painting, like this is your portrait, and you're painting on it, but it's your face.
Yeah, I have to get those one white things.
You can't really see the stuff I put in the inner corner, but I actually really like the green color.
I got the wipes.
And I think I'm just going to put a little bit more green on this stuff that looks white.
And never use your hands for this stuff, because your hands can be dirty and make your makeup mess up. But like we said, makeup is like art.
And you don't have to be good at art, and you don't have to be good at
Yeah, because all of you are good at art.
You're good at it. So there, it doesn't really look good.
And guys, comment down below.
It's also kind of a light color, so you can't really see
Guys, comment down below if you want to go back to school. I don't want to. I don't want to. But I want this quarantine to be over.
Okay, I think I'm just going to put the lip gloss on while she's doing that.
Yeah, you should just like... I'm never going to be done.
So I'm going to use one of these.
Maybe you can do this one better than that one. But
It smells so good like I can eat it.
But you can't, because makeup is not edible at all. Unless you make it, there could be a way. If
Like make it out of like Jolly Ranchers.
Yeah. If you have them, I'll just pressed. If you have like,
Eat one of these.
okay, I pressed blue. Why do I keep on saying press? So this one kind of looks like it's a bluish color. And where's this thing?
Here's my look.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, no. I got.
Woo weak.
Wait, no, that looks different. I'll download it.
Did you put the cover back on it?
Okay. I have to go a little closer because I can't see.
And guys, you always want to clean up your art, which you're working around there.
And it's good to practice makeup when you're at home because you have nothing to do.
Yeah, and that's the time you can get better with when you
Just
makeup
a great
if you
time
don't
you
think
could do everything you want to practice, but you couldn't if you had to go to school. So yeah, if you're wondering why I have this on, it kind of looks like a bathing suit because it is. Because I'm gonna make it slip inside. That's what I want to do. Because it's boring quarantine. Okay, and guys, I also have to put this on to finish it. We got it from Boxy
to set it.
Yeah, and you have to shake it up. It's fizzy like that. You want to make sure it's like far away from your face. Okay, that's good. I got a little bit on my phone. My face looks pretty and gold.
Yeah, this is nice because if you leave it to sit and then it shakes it up, it's like really cool.
It's like satisfying. Well, you can't really hear a sound, but like, look at it when you go like that. And
Yeah, see?
It's like a sparkling gold.
Cool. So that's the end of this video.
So make sure you stay safe, wash your hands, and stay 6 feet apart.
Bye. Love you
Go
guys.
follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.
Bye.
Mwah. And
We'll leave all
BoxyCharm.
those links down below.
Yeah, and follow BoxyCharm too, because they're a very good place.